Hi dear students, this is BK Sahu and you are watching my YouTube channel Math Blasting. Today in this video lecture we are going to derive the formula for volume of frustum of cone. Yes, volume of frustum of cone. So very first, what is frustum? This topic is taken from class 10 chapter volume and surface area. Do you know this shape is called? Yes, this is looking like a birthday cat. This is cone, na? This is cone. So when a small cone is cut, when a small cone is cut out from a big cone, so this is big cone ABC, and when a small cone is cut off, when a small cone is cut off from a big cone. So this small cone is cut off, then we are left with this like shape. हाँ, ये वही शेप है जो आपके घर में ग्लास है, जो ग्लास आप यूज करते हो पानी पीने के लिए. दिस इज द सेम शेप. सो यू आर लेफ्ट विथ दिस शेप एंड दिस शेप इज ओनली कॉल्ड फ्रस्टम और फ्रस्टम ऑफ कोन. एंड आवर क्वेश्चन इज और टॉपिक इज volume of frustum of cone. So we will derive the formula for volume of frustum of cone. Many of you might know the formula for volume of frustum of cone, but don't know the process, don't know the derivation. So this video will be useful for you if you don't know. Now as I told you, ये छोटा सा कोन बड़ा सा कोन में काट देने के बाद ये आकृति बचता है, इसी आकृति को बोलते हैं हम लोग फ्रस्टम. और जब इसका वॉल्यूम को प्राप्त करना होगा, देन वी ऑल्सो यूज द सेम कंसेप्ट. वी विल जस्ट सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस स्मॉल कोन फ्रॉम द बिग कोन, बट फॉर फाइंडिंग वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन वी आर रिक्वायर्ड आर एंड एच. वॉल्यूम ऑफ कोन इज इक्वल टू 1/3 पाई आर स्क्वायर एच. सो वी आर नॉट गिवन neither r nor h. So we first make the relation between radius and height, and for making the relation we will use the concept of similarity, which is given in your class 10 triangle chapter. So very first we denote all the vertex as ABC. So A B C D E, this is F, this is G. Now we just let this GE is radius of a small cone R1 and radius of big cone this R2. Height of big cone as capital H, and the height of a small height of this frustum by small h. Then can you find the length of AG? AG is equal to AF minus GF. अगर हम लोग AF में बड़ा सा साइड में GF को हटा देंगे, देन वी विल गेट AG. मीन्स AG इज इक्वल टू कैपिटल H माइनस स्मॉल h. AG, हाइट ऑफ AG विल बी इक्वल टू कैपिटल H. सो वी सब्ट्रैक्ट दिस स्मॉल h फ्रॉम कैपिटल H, देन वी get the value of AG. So AG is equal to H minus H. So we can write here GE is equal to R1, FC is equal to R2, let, and then AF is equal to capital H, GF is equal to a small h, and AG is equal to capital H minus a small h. Now we will work in triangle AGE and triangle AFC. AGE and AFC. Can we say or can we show the both triangles are similar? Yes, because this angle means angle GAE, that A is coming in a small triangle as well as in big triangle. So this angle is common for the both triangle. So we write common. This one will let as 1 or simply AGE. Angle AGE is equal to angle AFC. Both will be equal. Yes, because both are 90. This is height now. So this is base and AF is height. And we know that height is always perpendicular to base. So we can say AFC is equal to AGE and both are 90. We could also say that both the angles are corresponding angle, pair of corresponding angles, because this side and this side both are parallel. When this small cone is cut now, then there is one property that this small cone is cut parallel to its base. So जब भी जो काटा जाता है तो इसका पैरेलल से होगा, means both the line FC and GE will be parallel and then both the angle will be equal by corresponding angle. So we can say by AA criteria, triangle AGE similar to triangle AFC, and we know that in similar triangle the ratio of corresponding sides are equal. The ratio of corresponding sides are equal means we can write AG by AF is equal to AG by AF is equal to GE then FC. Two triangles are similar, then their corresponding ratio of corresponding sides are equal. Now AG is equal to H minus H, AF is equal to capital H, and this one is R1, this one is R2. Now we do cross multiplication here. So we can write R2H minus R2 small h by R1 capital H. Now can we write R2H, this we transpose, then it become R1H. We bring this left side and this we take to right side, and then it become plus R2 small h. Now can we take H common? Now we can write H is equal to R2 minus R1. Now H is equal to R2H by R2 minus R1. So we also have to bring with the value of H minus H so that we can find the volume of this small cone. So we subtract a small h in both the sides. Then H minus H is equal to, we take the LCM, R2 minus R1, then R2H. When you multiply this, then become minus R2H and plus R1H. This R2H will be cancelled out. H minus H is equal to R1H by R2 minus R1. This is equation 2. Now, our main question was, find the volume of frustum of cone DECB, and this can be found by subtracting the small cone from big cone. So volume of big cone means volume of cone ABC minus volume of cone ABE. When you subtract the volume of this cone from big, then you will get the volume of this shape, which is frustum. Now, what is the volume? What is the formula for volume of cone? 1 by 3 pi r square h. This is also 1 by 3 pi r square h. Now, in place of r, what we will write, because this is big cone ABC and the radius of cone ABC is R2, so we write R2, and height of big cone is capital H, so this we will write capital H. Now, radius of a small cone is R1 and the height of a small cone is capital H minus a small h. That's why we found capital H minus h. Now we can take 1 by 3 pi as a common, then we are left with R2h minus R1 square h minus h. Now just put the value of h. Value of capital H, just I have erased this, okay. Value of capital H was R2h by R2 minus R1, and H minus H is equal to R1h by R2 minus R1. One by 3 pi. Look, this one is R2 square and there is R2, means R2 cube by R2 minus R1. There is R1 square and there is R1, so it becomes R1 cube again H by R2 minus R1. Now we will take the LCM, because denominator is equal, so LCM will become R2 minus R1 only, R cube H. Now can we take H as a common? So we are left with R cube, means R2 cube minus R1 cube by R2 minus R1. Almost we have reached to derivation. Now AQ minus BQ. Do you know the formula for AQ minus BQ? Yes, A minus B into A square plus B square plus AB. All the formula you should by heart, otherwise it will be difficult, right? So all the algebraic formula you should memorize. AQ minus BQ is equal to A minus B into A square plus AB plus B square, and there was R2 minus R1. Now this R2 minus R1 can be cancelled out, and here look, we can rearrange this R1 square plus R1 R2 plus R2 square. So after rearranging this we get this equation, and this is only the volume of frustum of cone. So volume of frustum of cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi h. H represent height R1 and R1 square plus R1 into R2 plus R2 square, where R1 and R2 are the radius of both the end. This like a structure we will get now. So there is one radius and there is second radius. So this is R1, this is R2, and this is height. So 1 by 3 pi h R1 square plus R1 R2 plus R2. So this is all about today's class, today's derivation. I hope you understand. I hope you enjoy the video. If yes, then please like the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you will get the regular updates. And yes, if you have any query, then please write in comment box. Okay, thank you.